Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find the Google Authenticator setup key. Alright, so let's begin. If for any reason you can't scan the QR code from a website, you can always view the setup key instead. The QR code actually contains the setup key itself. Let's say we want to find the setup key for Gmail 2FA authentication. When you go to Google 2FA settings, click on Setup Authenticator. If you click on Can't Scan It, you will see the setup key displayed. Now, open Google Authenticator on your mobile device and tap on the plus button at the bottom right. Then, tap on Enter a setup key. Type anything in the account name field and enter the key you got from Google. Tap Add, then click Next on Gmail and enter the code from Google Authenticator. This way, you will be able to activate any website or platform using the setup key. So that's basically how you can find the Google Authenticator setup key. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.